What is going on, everybody? Paul Borroso here with another video on Beurax and how my business is going. If you guys are following me on YouTube, you've seen my journey with Beurax only like 19 days ago, how I started, what was my first 24 hours, what was my first week. And now I'm really excited to make this video because my business has exploded and I've only started 19 days ago. As you guys can see here, days with the company, 19 days ago. So far with Beurax, guys, this is what's been happening with me and my team. I've earned in referrals alone, this is just commissions, not even investing in Beurax, but just bringing team members in. And from my commissions alone, I've earned $23,516. That's 23 grand, guys, in 19 days. My structural turnover, meaning the whole investment from my team, not just myself, but my whole team, we brought in, are you guys ready for this? It's all in there in black and white, 314,900. That's more than $250,000 in 19 days, guys. This is exciting because Beurax they're really very generous with the commission plans. So if you guys bring in investors and if your team invests, look how well they look after you. They've paid me on the top of the 23,000, okay? They've paid on top of that another $11,000 in bonuses, and I can show you guys that here in a minute, how the bonus structure works. So another good thing about Beurax is every time you rank, they pay you all these bonuses. So my next bonus, let me go into financial operations, my partners. My next bonus, guys, when I reach $1 million in turnover, and guys, as you can see, I'm nearly getting to halfway there. I'm on 314,900. Once I reach the $1 million, they got to give me another bonus for $20,000. So let me show you the bonus structure and how it works, because they are very, very generous with their bonuses. So right now, in 19 days, I've ranked, I'm a diamond manager. So I'm here now. And they've paid me already all these bonuses, 5,000, 3,000, 2,000, and 1,000. So on top of that, for everyone that comes into my team and invests, I get paid on my first level 11%, 7% on my second level, 3% on my third, and then 1% on my fourth. And this goes down to 15 levels, guys. This is how generous this company is. By the way, you don't even have to recruit in order to earn money here, but I'm talking directly at the marketers. People who are watching this video who like to market, who are team builders, and who like to invite others to the opportunity. So I'm talking directly at you guys. This is how much you can earn here with Beurax. Listen to this, my next ranking, which I'm nearly halfway through there, it's Silver Partner. And that's a turnover of $1 million. But guess what? That's $1 million of, from the whole of your team, down to 15 levels. Okay, I'm going to repeat that again. That's a 1 million turnover down to your team, down to 15 levels. This is crazy, guys. And look at the bonus they actually pay you. This is how generous they are. They give you a $20,000 bonus. So my next bonus, which I believe I'm going to reach in the next couple of weeks, I kid you not, they got to pay me $20,000. That's very, very generous. The next ranking, which is Golden Partner, with a turnover of $3 million, this is where the check's starting to get a little bit crazy. That's a $50,000 bonus. And then they got to give you a $250,000 bonus when you reach 10 million, and so forth, up to $3 million. So far, I've reached here in 19 days. Cool, I just wanted to show you guys that quickly, because this company is really, really generous when it comes to paying out. You bring in investors that we got to use their money to trade, and then we got to look after you as well. I think that's really, really special and important for people like me who are marketers, who are team builders. So just to finish up this video, because I don't want to make it too long, as you guys can see, I already have, again, in 19 days, guys, can you see that? In 19 days, I already brought in 887 partners. That's 887 partners in my structure, not just direct to me, but in my structure. And out of those 887, 340 are active partners, meaning they made an investment. They're investing in Beurax and they're getting paid every single day. So I'm pretty much, I'm really excited with what's going on with Beurax. As you guys can see, there's a lot of investment in my team going on. In USD already $55,000 invested, in Bitcoin 6 Bitcoins, and in Ethereum 255 Ethereums invested with Beurax. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this will somehow excite you, inspire you. I've only been doing this for 19 days. You guys can see my results. God knows where I'm going to be in a month, or where I'm going to be in 2 or 3 months. You know, if I already have these results in 19 days, I'm excited to be promoting such a great company. I love everything about them. I love how professional the website is built. They've got a really cool professional website. What I like about Beurax, which is different from the other deals that I've done in the past, is the point that you don't need to recruit to earn here. You don't. If you come in just as an investor, all you need to do is make a deposit. They offer 4 plans. All these swaps here, you can start at the smallest plan for 15 days, guys, and you can invest just $20 over a period of 15 days. And guess what? If you join on Monday, if you invest on Monday, you got to get paid on Tuesday. Guaranteed. There's no ifs, buts, maybes. You get paid. 24 hours later, Monday to Friday, because they trade Monday to Friday, you got to get paid. Period. And that's what I like about Beurax. I like the fact that you get paid 24 hours later. I don't see any other deals out there where you join today and you get paid tomorrow. I don't. With Beurax, it works like this. Monday to Friday, you join on a Sunday and you make an investment on Monday. At that very same time, you got to get paid. I don't see any other deals out there where you got to get paid 24 hours later, straight up. I don't see any other deals doing that. So with that said, Paulo Beurax here checking out, and I appreciate you for watching this video. Lock arms with me. We've got a growing team. I can put you in my Telegram team where you can ask lots of questions. You can see screenshots from people getting paid. You can see screenshots of leaders and other people as well getting their bonuses. So the company is paying. If you are a leader, you really you ought to be speaking to me, because you can make a lot of money here. And if you're not a leader and if you've got no list and you don't want to recruit, even better, you came to the right place, because you got to get paid 24 hours later after you're joining and making your deposit. With that said, Paulo Beurax checking out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to see you on my next one. Take care. Bye.